Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Estate Escape. Today's video is gonna be a bit of blah 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 blah. Today's video is gonna be a bit of Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Estate Escape. Today's video is gonna be a bit different. I am going to a McDonald's car park, which allows me to stay there for 2 hours. I'll take advantage of those 2 hours to cook a meal at their car park. It's gonna be a simple meal and it's actually gonna be something off their menu. What I'm thinking is preparing one of their chicken wraps. I am also going inside McDonald's and I will purchase one of the wraps. At the end of the video I will compare both wraps. I'll do a taste test and I'll also compare prices. I've already prepared the car. It's in full stealth mode. I've got the curtains on, I've got the blinds on, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. But first things first, I need the ingredients for the wrap. What better place for us to buy some cheap food than Aldi? If you're not from the UK, Aldi alongside Lidl, the cheapest shops in the country. I've also set up a bit differently at the back of the car, but I'll show you that later. This time, got a flat leveled surface to cook on. Lesson learned. No more cooking on the seat. Here we are at Aldi's. Let's do a quick shop. I've got chicken on the list, wraps, obviously, cucumber, 1 tomato, some lettuce, and sweet chili sauce. We've got all the ingredients. We're off to McDonald's. Decided not to buy a cucumber. I just don't really fancy a cucumber, to be honest. I think we'll be fine with what we've got. Alright guys, we made it to McDonald's, but this McDonald's is absolutely mad busy. There is not a single parking space where I can park. It is ridiculous. People are even parking in the disabled base. Gonna have to come out of it and go back in and hope for the best. There's literally not a single parking spot anywhere. Wow, this is actually insane. I had to go 3 times until I found the parking spot. One of the cars was leaving, so I managed to park in their spot. This spot is perfect though, because I'm right outside McDonald's. There we are, right outside McDonald's. So let's go in and buy one of their wraps. Alright guys, we managed to get the wrap, the famous wrap. Waiting time wasn't too bad. About 10 minutes. I'm already at the back of the car. Got all my ingredients ready here. It's all ready. Got a little bit of olive oil. The gas is ready. I've already cracked the front windows open, so let's not waste any time. Let's start cooking. First things first, let's put everything away, including this. Got this pan. Before we do anything, we need to dice that chicken. For this purpose, got a cutting board. This time I am prepared. I'll cut it this way. into small strips like this. Right, I think that's more than enough for 1 or even 2 wraps. So I'm just gonna leave the other breast. Not gonna cook it for now. Some kitchen roll here. I know it's not ideal. I will wash everything later. Slap the pan on. Yeah, look at this, that's much better now that it's leveled. Spray some oil. It's time to add the chicken. Maybe I should have left the radio on because that chicken sizzling is super loud. Let's check what's happening outside. It's time for me to flip it. There's some serious steaming up here, and there's probably some smoke coming out of my car. So I think I'm just gonna turn that off now. Let's hope no one calls security. Even though I cracked the windows open, I'm pretty sure there's steam coming out of my windows. Honestly, I don't think anyone cares. I just cook some chicken at the back of my car at a McDonald's car park, and no one cares. Happy days. I hope no one's thinking I'm doing something else here other than cooking. Chicken is cooked and it's time to prepare our wraps. Okay, we'll start by putting a layer of soft cheese, reduced fat because we care about health. Generous layer of this. Maybe I should have brought a spoon with me. Let's cut those into smaller pieces. Time to add some lettuce. Cherry tomatoes. And for the secret ingredient, chili sauce. Time to wrap this. I'm not very good wrapping. Just gonna do it like this. Well, that's my wrap. Let's have a look what we got here. Well, that definitely looks nicer. Wrapped up nicely. My wrap is not great in terms of wrapping technique. Let's do a taste test. First we got McDonald's wrap. This one's got cucumber. Now we've got my wrap. McDonald's. My wrap. Honestly, I can't tell the difference. They're both pretty good. I think our mission was successful. No one actually found out I was cooking inside my vehicle. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you, McDonald's. Nice and fun little video. I'll be doing something similar again in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I got something special for the next video. Amazing spot that I found in my area. So stay tuned for this. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Let's do a quick final breakdown. The total from the shop came to £7.35. I didn't use all the chicken. From one chicken breast, I can make 2 wraps. So from both chicken breasts, I can get 4 wraps. If we break this down, £7.35 divided by 4, it comes to about £1.80 per wrap. The wrap in McDonald's was $2.29. I wouldn't be using all of my ingredients, so if I want another 4 wraps, because they come in a pack of 8, all I need to do basically is buy another pack of chicken and I can get 4 more wraps, if that makes sense. If I add another pack of chicken to the bill that I paid, £7.35, it'll work out as £1.30 per wrap, which is significantly cheaper than $2.29 per wrap. Also, I waited 10 minutes in a crowded shop, overly crowded shop. I had to waste a lot of fuel, go 3 times around the car park to actually find a parking spot. And the wrap was exactly the same that I cooked in my car. And I cooked it in about 10 to 15 minutes. So if you're at home, I definitely suggest get the ingredients. You can prepare the wraps for the following day. If you're in a hurry and there is a McDonald's nearby, it saves you a lot of time. The wrap of the day used to be $1.99. It is $2.29 now. A reasonable price, let's be honest. If you're willing to buy all the ingredients yourself, you can get it for as cheap as £1.30. So something to keep in mind.